In this video, we're going to show you how to change the spacing in paragraphs and lines in OneNote. I'm using Bacon, Lorem, Ipsum for my example. And if this helps you, how about leaving a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you. The first thing you want to do is you're going to want to select the paragraph. Just click on the box there, select the whole thing. Then you're going to go up to your paragraph tab here. Paragraph spacing options. Let's say you wanted to double your line spacing. Well, I can see my Georgia is set at 12 points. So if I were to go to 24, it automatically doubles it right there. If I want to change the spacing between my paragraphs, I just go paragraph options. And after, I'm going to say, let's put 24 there too. And it changes it. You also have the ability to change before, depending on your layout. You have the option for that as well. And that's all there is to it. This is help. How about leaving a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you. You have a good day.